Question 1. What are you doing? Days Saturday. Option A on, option B about, option C to. What are you doing on Saturday? Question 2. He complained dash the children dash the mess they have made. Option A of about, option B to about, option C about a. He complained to the children about the mess they have made. Question 3. I have not been to the countryside dash December. Option A far, option B science, option C it. I have not been to the countryside since December. Question 4. He made a speech dash this subject. Option A on, option B it, option C from. He made a speech on this subject. Question 5. Are not you glad that you went to the party with us dash all? Option A with, option B of, option C after. Are not you glad that you went to the party with us after all? Question 6. I will stay in London dash about 3 weeks. Option A during, option B for, option C science. I will stay in London for about 3 weeks. Question 7. I am not very good dash making decision. Option A in, option B it, option C for. I am not very good at making decision. Question 8. My mother is true friend dash me. Option A to, option B for, option C with. My mother is a true friend to me. Question 9. Turn this page from English dash Spanish. Option A to, option B about, option C into. Turn this passage from English into Spanish. Question 10. She reminded me dash my mother. Option A of, option B to, option C by. She reminded me of my mother.